A political conversation framed by metrics that predict winning affects the kind of people who can win elections and produces a disempowering and inaccurate model of the nature of individual political power. That's a big question, and it's not one that a short animation can answer. So that's not what we're going to do. What we're going to do is take a good look at the logic of the conversation. Our lives are filled with helpful measurements. We take it for granted. 3 cups flour, 70% chance of rain. You will arrive at 5:30 p.m. Expect delays. Recipes help us get the right amount of an ingredient. Forecasts help us plan our attire, tell us what to expect. GPS helps us plan a route, avoid traffic, and give people an estimated time of arrival. Pretty useful stuff. We like measurements so much that we even talk about politics this way. Delegate counts, demographic advantages, likability, polls, odds of winning office. But unlike recipes, forecasts, and GPS, it's harder to say what function all of this serves. It can all be boiled down to one question. Who is going to win? How useful is that? Is it useful for all political conversation, especially in the media, to be framed by measurements that predict the likelihood of winning office? Does talking about politics this way influence who wins and what kind of people will win? What if a single lonely man in the middle of Ohio found a way to change poll data stored within institutions and news organizations worldwide? Every poll you saw, he set with everyone unaware while he drank his morning coffee. That's a powerful man over in Ohio. An election between politician A and politician B, do you think his control of the polls would impact how we look at A and B? That is, does this man control how we view these candidates if he controls the polls? That is, do polls control how we view candidates? That is, if we never saw a poll the whole election, would our conversations about candidates change? What would we talk about if not delegate counts, likability, demographic advantages, and polls? Maybe we would talk about what they actually believe. Maybe we would talk about the real world around us, the world that they are asking us to give them the power to control.